Karma Guy here. Check out this 2016 Jaguar F-Type S Coupe, only 46,000 miles and a clean Carfax. It's dealer certified pre-owned, with over $2,800 in recent service, including a turbocharger, water pump, spark plugs, and more. Plus, it comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty and a discounted 5-year maintenance plan. Remember, price discounts will void its CPO status, but you can upgrade to a lifetime warranty at a discount. We encourage pre-purchase inspections. Ask about the warranty upgrade. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Don't settle. Drive the Jaguar F-Type S with confidence.